Hello everyone and welcome to another LeanTakt video. On this occasion, we're gonna go through a really helpful Excel tool to format your Excel sheets in a blink of an eye using conditional formatting. I hope you enjoy the content and please do not forget to hit like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to keep yourself updated with all these tech tips and tricks. To start, let's state that conditional formatting is a tool in Excel to give format to a specific cell or region depending on a formula and the cell's content. All right, so to create the conditional format, we're gonna go and select the region where we want to apply our formula and then go to conditional formatting. After this, we're gonna go to manage rules and confirm that we got current selection selected in here and click on new rule. After that, we go to classic style and we have different ways of setting a formula. We can format cells that contain a specific value. We can format top or bottom rank values, values that are above or below average, or unique or duplicate values. When creating a conditional format, we have to take into account that if we have a lot of formulas, the document is gonna become a little heavier. That's why I personally prefer this way of creating the formatting, because it can save up some formulas to repeat formats and make the document a little lighter. So after we selected here, use a formula to determine which cells format, the next step is to create a formula. So in this case, the formula that works for me, it might, uh, you might find a better one, but I do highly recommend this one because you can place different values at the same time for the same format. Is just to place an or here and to specify the cell that which is going to be the lead to your formula. In this case, for me, it's F7 because it's from where this section begins. F7 equals 2, and I will just click a value. For example, in here, for the value 1, I would like to format this one as plumbing. So the next step is to click the format, give it a custom format, a background color. It's the same as this one, I guess. You can also click on here, click the eyedropper tool, select the color, click OK, OK, and there we go. After we have a rule, something really simple to do here is just to duplicate the rule for every format that we have. In this case, we're gonna have this 15 different values, and I'm working on this side over here just to show you a really cool function that Excel offers for you. So I'm gonna duplicate these values and edit the formula. Now I'm gonna give to the value 2. This one starts on B5 as we can see, and I'm gonna give it a different format. In this case, color is gonna be blue. This blue. Click OK. The font's gonna be white. Click OK. Here we have the value, and I'm gonna go ahead and format all these at here. All right, so now I come back with all these formats that I place on my legend, and I'm gonna show you a really easy way to transfer this format to any place of the workbook or the same sheet. So now I do have this one. I select it and I click on format. Now I'm gonna pass the brush through the table that I want to format, and there we go. All right, so now to prove that this actually works, I placed a formula in this table to give us a random value between 1 and 15, and it should change if I place any number here. For example, I'm gonna place the same 2, and I'm gonna click enter. So as we saw, the whole table shifts, but it keeps the same format that we gave here before. That's a cool feature. Also, we can do the same thing in here to click to copy the format, go to another tab, and give it to any specific range of numbers that we wanted to, and it should work. For example, in here, I'm gonna click 1, and it gives us that value. 2 is the same. We can go on and on and on, and this is how it works. We have come to the end of the video. Please feel free to comment below if any questions come to mind. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.